Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Anker PowerCore 20,000 milliamp hours, the ultimate portable charger for staying powered up anywhere you go. This beast packs a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, meaning it can charge your iPhone 6 times over, perfect for long trips or busy days. Imagine never worrying about your phone dying mid-adventure or during an important work call again. But it's not just about capacity. Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest, safest charge possible. That means quicker charging for your smartphone, tablet, or any USB-powered gadget without overcharging or damage. And with dual USB ports, you can power up two devices simultaneously, easily sharing the juice with a friend, or charging your phone and earbuds at once. What truly sets this power bank apart is Anker's renowned reliability and premium build quality, making it a top contender for the best portable charger on the market. If you're constantly on the go and need a dependable, high-capacity power solution, this Anker PowerCore 20,000 is an absolute game changer. Ready to experience worry-free power? You can grab your own Anker PowerCore 20,000 by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. Seriously, for anyone looking for the best power bank for travel or daily use in 2025, this portable charger is highly recommended.